Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is a quick answer to one question that somebody asked me. Is there an image I can download to actually install the November 2019 update directly, do a clean install? And yes, you can, but you got to be signed in with your Microsoft account. I'll post the link here in the description below the video. On this page, the Windows Insider Preview downloads, you have available the Windows 10 Release Preview Build 18363. So what you do is you check this version, and it contains, if you're wondering, how do I get the Pro or the Home it's in there. All you have to do is choose your edition when you install it. And this will enable you to do a clean install directly to build 18363. So if that's what you want to do, if it's the time time has come that you were thinking of doing a clean install because maybe you have bugs, or maybe it's been the same install for a long time and you thought maybe it's gonna it sometimes helps the computer get faster, because over time Windows accumulates all sorts of crap, and it slows down because of that. Or maybe you've tweaked it a lot and you just want to start fresh. From time to time, it's not a bad idea. So what you do is go down the page and select the edition Windows 10 Insider Preview 18363. Do not mix it up with any other version in here, because if you choose build 19013, for example, you're going to be somewhere else. You'll be next year, and you're going to have to reinstall again. So don't mess it up. But if you want to download the image and clean install the November 2019 update, this is how you do it. You can download the image here, and once the image is downloaded, it will actually apply all the cumulative updates that might be missing from that image, and you'll be at the November 2019 update before everybody else. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thanks for watching.